Hey guys, my name is Apurva Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I drop videos just like these every single week. Tattoos are so popular right now, everyone is getting them or at least want to. I got this one like an year ago and was supposed to get another one like a month ago, but well, virus happened. Even before getting this one, I searched a lot what tattoos should be avoided, what tattoos you should get, what tattoos you shouldn't get, and all that knowledge I will tell you today. So if that sounds interesting, then let's get into the video. So the first thing to always keep in mind whenever you are getting a tattoo is to decide whether you are going for art or meaning. Basically, tattoos are divided into two types, at least for me. First comes the one like quotes, dates, etc., which provide more meaning than design. Date of birth, popular quotes, words like alive, hope, you must have seen those. Then comes tattoos more towards designs, like for example, animals or trees. Of course they have meaning too, but less when compared to the tattoos I talked about earlier. So the first thing you need to decide is which one you are getting, because tattoos like full sleeves, people usually regret them after growing old. In your 20s you might find them cool, but after 10 to 15 years your taste will drastically change and you will not find them cool at all. Also, tattoos with quotes, DOBs on them are usually small. So if it is your first tattoo, then make sure that you are getting something important and small so that you don't regret later. But the second thing to keep in mind is don't follow the trend. Tattoos are not like outfits, man. You cannot change them when the trend dies, or it is not a hairstyle which you can change after a while. It becomes a part of your body. So getting a tattoo just because it's cool right now, it's the most dumbest thing. Okay, let me give you an example. Every guy right now have that wristband tattoo around his arm. Please stop getting that. It's old as fuck right now and doesn't even look that good. That tattoo literally shouts that I didn't know what else to got and I thought that I will look cool in that. So I got this one. I also talked to few people who have that tattoo and they all regret that. If you have it, then it's fine until and unless you like it. But please stop going with the trend when it comes to tattoos. But please don't copy someone else. Tattoos are meant to express you, not your favorite actor, singer or some guy you saw. Now the third thing to keep in mind is the place which you are getting it at. You got three options. Option number one, hidden parts. Parts like back, abs, chest which you don't show in public. Option number two, semi-hidden parts. Parts which you can hide if you want, for example your forearms or calves. Option number three, full disclosure. Parts which you cannot hide, for example your face, neck or hands. This option is something which 99% of the people should avoid. It will not only hinder your job chances but a lot of stuff. Also, face tattoos just look bad. Don't get them at all. It's not even something which I have to tell you. Choose from option 1 or 2. If you're not sure at all, then get it someplace which you don't show. For example, your shoulder. Even forearm tattoos will be shown majority of the time. This is the place where majority of the guys want to get tattoos. So if you are one of them, then make sure that you choose your tattoo wisely. Get full sleeve tattoos or full complete forearm tattoos only when you know that you can pull them off. Because to be honest, not many can. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the tattooist. Make sure the person you are getting the tattoo is good enough, because tattoos are permanent, man. You cannot change them. Don't save few bucks and get it done in some cheap shop. Make sure that you get it from a professional. And the last thing is aftercare. After getting a tattoo, you have to do aftercare, man. It is very important. You have to do a lot of stuff. For example, applying moisturizer, not going to the sun for too long, and a lot of other stuff which your tattooist will definitely tell you. So don't neglect them at all. Keep all these tips in your mind, man. But at the end of the day, what really matters when it comes to tattoos is that you are liking it. If you don't like it, then there's no point. If you have a friend who is also interested in getting a tattoo, definitely share this video with him too. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.